missing equals 54. Now to find that missing number, I'm going to do 100 take away 54 using column subtraction. So because 0 take away 4 can't do, so I'm going to move to my 100 because I haven't got any tens, cross out my 100, that becomes 0, carry my 100 into my tens column, cross that out, that becomes 9 tens, carry the tens into the ones, 10 take away 4 is 6, 9 take away 5 is 4, 100 take away 46 equals 54. See if you can use the same method to find out the answers to the last two. Okay, then I've got two two-digit numbers in subtraction. Again, these are questions off our big maths test, so I've got 74 take away 39. You will need to put that into column subtraction again. So we've got 74 take away 39. 4 take away 9 I can't do, so I'm going to go to my tens column, cross out my 7, that becomes 6. Carry over my 10 into my ones, 14 take away 9 is 5, 6 take away 3 is 3, 74 take away 39 is 35. Okay, again you've got your 4s and 8 times tables on a number line to help you, so we'll go through them together. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. Our 8 times table is double our 4 times table, so we've doubled these numbers. We've got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88. You can look back at that throughout the lesson if you need to help you. Okay, and then we've got double the following numbers. So if we're doubling a number, we add the same number. So double 3 would be 3 add 3 equals 6. Double 5 would be 5 add 5 equals 10. Okay, have a go at the rest of them. Right, today's lesson is slightly harder than the one that we did yesterday on worksheet 6. So we've got a shopkeeper has 52 ice creams. She packs them equally into 4 boxes. How many ice creams are there in each box? 2 into 40 and 12, so we've got 5 tens, and then we've split it into 4 tens and then 12 at the other side. Divide the tens by 4, so we've put them into 4 groups, and then because we've got 1 10 here, we swap that for 10 ones. And then that would become 12. And then we can divide 12 by 4, which would give us 13 in total. Okay, there is a video on the YouTube channel in the Year 3 playlist giving a demonstration of how to regroup with base 10. Right, so I've got here 52 divided by 4. So I'm going to write 52 here. And then I'm going to split my tens into 4 groups because I'm dividing by 4. Okay, so I'm going to move my tens across. And because I'm left with 1 10, I can't split 1 10 into 4 groups. So I'm going to change that for 10 ones. Got 1. Okay, so I've changed it for 10 ones. And then that will give me 12 ones in total. So now I can share that into 4 groups because we know 12's in the 4 times table. So I'm going to put 1 in here. So 52 will be partitioned into 40 and 12 because I changed that 110 into 10 ones. So then I've got 110 here and 3 ones. So 110 is the same as 10, which would be 10. Add my 3 ones equals 13. 52 divided by 4 equals 13. 72 divided by 3. So I've put 72 at the top of my part whole model, and because I'm dividing by 3, I'm going to share that into 3 groups. And again, I'm left with 110, but I can't put that equally into 3 groups. So what I'm going to do is swap that 110 for 10 ones. Okay? So I swapped it for my 10 ones, and 72 would partition into 60 and 12 because I was left with that 110 with my 2 ones. Now I know I can share my 12 ones equally into 3 groups because 12 is in 3 times table, so I'm going to move my ones into my groups. Okay, this time in one group I've got 2 10s and 4 ones, so 2 10s is the same as 20. So here it would be 20, add my 4 ones, equals 24. 72 divided by 3 equals 24. Okay, now you've got your guided practice, but we'll do the first one together. So now we've got 54 divided by 3. So I've got my 54 down here. So I'm going to share that into 3 groups, dividing by 3. This time, I'm left with 2 10s. So again, I can't share that into 3 groups. So what I'm going to do now is swap both of them for 1s. So my first 10 stick will be 10 ones. I'll just draw them to make it quicker. Okay, so that's my first 10 stick, and then I'm going to swap another 10 ones for my 10 stick down here. And that's that one. So now that gives me 24 ones in total, and we know 24 is in the 3 times table, so we can share that equally into our 3 groups again. But again, to make it quicker, I'll draw them. So I've got 1, Okay, so now I've got 110 here, which is 10, and then let's see how many ones I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 add 8 is 18, so 54 divided by 3 would be 18. You will be working on worksheet 7. If there are any issues, please message us on Dojo, we will get back to you.